Let's eat together, guys. I love it. See? That's the kind of chicken I like. Very juicy. Whoa. Whoa. Hey man, what's up, man? You know who you are, man. I appreciate you, man. I love that. Love you show me, you know what I'm saying? I like it. You know, I'm gonna make sure every weekend I'm gonna make sure I send a video for you. You know who you are. You see, you like my cooking video. Every weekend I'm gonna make sure I send you one. You know who you are, buddy. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? That's love. Whoa! Whoa! Guys, finally we get some leash chicken. Whoa, looking at that plate. Looking at that plate. That is a very beautiful plate. Whoa! Guys, you know what? Let's eat together. Whoa! You see big bean right there. Big bean right there. Right there. Mac and cheese. Biscuit right there. Chicken. Let's eat together, guys. I love it. See? That's the kind of chicken I like. Very juicy. Whoa. 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 Today is a very beautiful day, guys. I'm having a good time. I love that big bean too, though. It's very sweet. Yeah, that's a good meal. I like that meal. That's a very beautiful meal. Yeah, very sweet. Very sweet, guys. Look how beautiful it is, man. Very nice. Big bean, y'all. I love it. Very nice and beautiful. Very nice. They're doing construction over there. Wow. Look at that. it. Wow. That's a nice meal, y'all. That is a nice meal, y'all. Looking at that. Looking at that, y'all. Whoa. Whoa, looking at that, y'all. Nice meal, y'all. Big beans, y'all. See it? This is mac and cheese, y'all. Mac and cheese, y'all. That is a nice meal, y'all. Sure. Whoa! That's a nice meal, y'all. Look at that. Wow. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.